Hello and welcome back. My name is Josh, and today I wanted to just go over a difference in style, really because I want to make sure um, that when I discuss investing, that we're all on the same page as to what is investing. And to me, I separate investing, which I put on one side, from trading. So what is investing versus trading? Investing is when you're looking at the long-term fundamentals of a company, and you really have a long-term thesis and you're investing for the long term. Again, I know I just said long term three times, but that's because really what the difference is time horizon. If you are looking at a stock and saying, hey, I think over the next 5 to 10 years, the stock could go up meaningfully, you know, if it doubles in 3 to 5 years, that's a really good one. Maybe you think it's 3x in 10 years. Um, Now, just because you think it's going to 3x in 10 years, stocks can be very rocky and bumpy. That doesn't mean it's going to go straight up like this and slowly continue to rise. That means it could go down 15%, then up 30%. It could be all over the place. But with investing, volatility can actually be your friend because if you really truly believe that it's still going to be a great company in 5 to 10 years, anytime it dips, you're buying for a discount. Again, think about anything else. When the price goes down, people feel good. Oh, look, this car that used to be $20,000 is now $18,000. It's on sale. But with stocks, people don't see it that way. They feel bad when a stock goes down. Just don't let it fall to your thesis. Again, if the thesis is broken, you no longer believe in the company, that's one thing. Or if you came in and you never really did your valuation in the first place, and you just bought it because you thought it was good, that could also be an issue. But like if you did a valuation and you still believe in those numbers, then you should be ecstatic when the company is on sale. Again, buying the dip. That's really what this is about. On the other hand, that's investing. Again, you have a fundamental value. You say, this is what I think it's worth in the long term, and you're making sure you buy it for less than that. On the other side is trading. Trading is, making, shorter term buying or selling stocks based on shorter term information. That could be mood, that could be momentum, that could be just buying and selling out for a quarter. You think maybe that this quarter is going to have blowout earnings. You could buy and sell options to try and boost your returns that way. And again, there's no judgment call. There's no right or wrong. I have friends that make tons of money trading. I have friends that make ton of money investing. Just know your strengths and what game you're playing. That's the most important thing. You don't want to be thinking you're playing poker, but you're playing blackjack. What game are you playing? So I know that I am not a good trader. I've tried it before. I'm terrible at it. I just know that. So I don't play that game anymore. I really try to focus on what I know and what I can do well, which is long-term investing. Over a 5 to 10 year horizon, I know I will do well. I'm not good at trading. I've tried it before and I've had some luck. I've had some terrible luck. Not even terrible luck, terrible skill. I'm just not, I don't have the temperament for it, but I do have the temperament for investing. So know what you're doing, and you got to make sure you're playing the game. If you see, we've seen a couple earnings lately that have had massive drops in the stock or massive shoot ups. If you're an Airbnb trader, maybe you said, wow, look, I knew it was going to pop 10%. I bought, now it's up 10% on earnings, and I'm selling. If you're a long-term investor, you might say, I think it could go up. I could think it could be double that in 3 years, so I'm going to hold. So are you buying more or are you selling? So really, depending on your time horizon, it can have the complete opposite decision onto what you're going to do following a big increase or decrease in the stock price. So just want to make a quick video about trading versus investing and know what you're in it for. Are you willing to hold the stock through volatility, through 20% ups and downs for multiple years? And are you willing to look wrong for 3 or 4 years, 2 or 3 years, maybe even more? Or are you saying I'm in it for a quick buck and you're going to make some dollars here and there? So again, very different strategies and very different games, but know the game you're playing. That's the number one rule. There's no right or wrong answer. You just have to know what you want to do. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you a trader? Are you an investor? And talk to you next time. Cheers.